The Datavideo CAP-2 is an HDMI to USB 3.0 capture box which works just like an HDMI video capture card with an external audio input. To see an unboxing video and learn about the applications where you can use a CAP-2 and how to connect it to your Mac or PC, click the link in the description below and then come right back here. Once you have your CAP-2 and video source connected, open your internet browser. To stream to YouTube Live, log into your YouTube account and click the video camera icon with a plus sign on the top right. Then click Go Live. On the left side, click Camera. Then enter all the information for your stream. Now you will see a preview of your stream. Click Go Live when you're ready to start broadcasting to your audience. And now you are live. From this page, you can monitor your stream and engage your viewers in the comments. When you're ready to end your stream, click End Stream, and you can save your video so it can be posted to your YouTube channel. Now let's learn to stream to Facebook Live using the CAP-2. Log into your Facebook account, and in the window you use for creating posts, click on the Live icon. In the center of the screen, click on Use Camera. In the setup options, make sure you have the option for the CAP-2 selected and not your computer's internal webcam. You will see a preview in the bottom right corner. Give your video a title and description, and as soon as you're ready, click Go Live. And now you are live on Facebook. To end your stream, click End Live Video. With other platforms, follow the steps you typically would use for setting up a live stream with a web camera, and you will be able to stream from the CAP-2 as well. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below or contact us at support@datavideo.com. Be sure to follow us and come hang out with us on social media for the latest videos and news from Datavideo. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.